So, you know, whenever you see other people's making comments on another person's video, consider that not all these, like with mine and so many others, they are not staged. They are actual reality. And just because you see a certain quality that you think is low does not mean that I don't have the ability to spend the money and do way higher quality. What it means is that's the budget that we've agreed to do. So you need to be clear if you're hiring somebody, the quality that you want. You need to understand when you're commenting on other people's channels that everybody has their level of quality that they want to spend. You know, maybe even quality of food. You know, name brand clothes, name brand vehicles, name brand. Maybe that's what they want to do. But it's not necessarily what you want to do, then therefore you should criticize that. I'm not truly sensitive. I just felt like after 1,100 videos that I should say something about it. That I should say, it really doesn't, it amuses me. That's why a lot of times the comment response to those kind of comments is, hey, that's what's been working for people. My customers are happy people. That's why they call me back year after year after year after year. You see? And I say, if you've got a better way of doing it, why don't you share it with everybody and create your own video and share with all these people? That way that you do it, that's better. And I will learn too. Let me explain something. There is no video out there showing people how to do things, not one, that I have ever left a comment in negative fashion, ever. Because I know the work that it takes to make that video, the courage that it takes to do it. You know, it's like, I might not agree with what they're doing. I might think there's certainly something wrong with that. But I'm not going to make a comment. That person put into a lot of effort, overcome the fear of being able to share it with other people and then be able to criticize you. I am not going to do anything but when I make a comment, encourage people to be more than what they are. Keep on doing good work. Comment on the good things. So as a field superintendent that ran, well, a foreman first, you had 100-man crews, 100-man plus, working on hospitals. And then I was a field superintendent running 250 people plus. There is a cardinal rule. And it is to preserve the workforce that you have, the people around you, how to preserve those friendships. I will tell you what it is. You reprove people or talk negative to people in private. You commend people in public. That way they are encouraged. The whole group is encouraged by the fact that you are encouraging other people. This goes on like a rant, but it needs to be said. I'm not going to go and say something negative, even though I am quite capable of it, of people's mistakes or anything else. The way, the clothes they wear, the car they drive, the girlfriend they have, or I'm not going to say those negative things and make them feel bad in front of everybody. No. I'm here to lift up my fellow man, to make their life better as a repairman. Does that make sense? So when somebody leaves a negative comment with me, I'm amused by it. Does it hurt my feelings? This guy's got I don't know, 4 million subscribers, and he made a comment that was negative on my channel. He doesn't live in my world. He's not helping these people. I promise you, if he's got 1 million subscribers, if he's got 44,000 subscribers, 50,000, 100,000, 250,000 subscribers, he's not going to do the things that you see me doing. Okay? All these budget things that you see, that's for the benefit of people who are on a budget. So does it hurt my feelings if somebody says that a 3-year-old monkey could do better? I'm amused by it. Because the 3-year-old monkey does not have the discernment to know how to adjust to a budget. The same as AI, which everybody thinks is going to take over so many jobs. It doesn't have the discernment to fit the circumstances, to adjust to how somebody is acting, seeing the voice fluctuation, the modulation in their words, the posture, how their legs are crossed, or do they have their hands in their pockets? Do they want to lean against something? Hey, I cannot do that and never will. Promise you. But some people should do better at it too. But I'm amused by it because the motive that I have for putting out these videos is not the same as everybody else's. Maybe there's a lot of other people probably that have the same motives as me. You know, I think my wife works on the videos probably 3-4 hours a day, stretched out over 6 days, maybe more. And guess how much she gets from YouTube? $300. Now think about that. Let's just say 5 days a week and 2 hours a day. Okay? 10 hours a week. Let's just say 4 weeks. That's 40 hours. Makes $300. That's not me making any money. That's not giving me motive for doing it. No, I am very appreciative of the people that come to see what I have to show you. And I'm very appreciative of the people who put out their content so I can look at theirs and learn from them. I just wanted to say it does not discourage me for bad comments. It just amuses me. And I would hope that their life would become happier. I really don't want them to be stuck in a negative place. I want them to be happy with the circumstances they have and the videos they have. I would like every one of them to make them happy. I know it won't. But all the best. Do. And I will make usually amusing comments. The purpose of these videos is to share with other people how to get things done, sometimes on a budget. So I'm through ranting now. I just wanted to let you guys know how I feel about that. It does not hurt my feelings. It's sort of like someone that I meet on the street has more relevance to me, how they feel about my work, than somebody that just comments on a video. What I do know is I need to say things so that I don't come across as a mean-spirited person. I need to say things in response so that other people who might read this comment don't get the impression that everything I'm doing, I accept it as what he says as a criticism is correct. I don't. I have to be, I have to take the time and with my amusement, try to come up with a silly or lackadaisical, flippant way of viewing that bad comment. But it doesn't change anything. It just amuses me. But I want you guys to be amused too. So understand the motives for the videos. I'm not making money with it to speak of. My wife gets what little bit of money there is. It is my job to make other people's lives better. That's my job. All right, let you go. See ya.